Come closer, friends. Tonight we meet someone tiny. Bluey skipped outside, sunshine warmed gently. Bingo followed laughing, paws tapping ground. Birds sang brightly, joy all around. Suddenly a rustle, leaves shook high. Bluey paused curious, lifting her eye. A fluffy tail flicked, nuts dropped down. Bingo gasped loudly, scanning the ground. There, cried Bluey, pointing with cheer, a squirrel appeared, bushy and near. It twitched quickly, nibbling a treat. Bluey crept closer, light on her feet. The squirrel froze, eyes wide with surprise. Bluey smiled softly, kindness in eyes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, so you never miss Bluey's adventure. Bingo whispered gently, let's be friends. The squirrel sniffed slowly, patience depends. Bluey offered acorn, held in paw. The squirrel grabbed quickly, munching in awe. It chattered sweetly, tail swished high. Bluey barked softly, let's try. They played chase, circling a tree. Laughter erupted, spirits set free. Bingo clapped gladly, faster, go. The squirrel zipped swiftly, stealing the show. Bluey twirled round, paws full speed. Squirrel bounced lightly, playful indeed. Wow, cried Bingo, tail wagging quick. Isn't this squirrel wonderfully slick? Bluey nodded proudly, eyes shining wide. The squirrel leapt higher, side to side. Muffin arrived, Coco came too. Honey barked loudly, who are you? The squirrel chattered, perching above. Bluey explained kindly, he brings us love. Together they giggled, tossing him nuts. The squirrel twirled, showing his guts. He stored treasures, hiding them near. Bluey wondered softly, winter is here? The squirrel nodded, cheeks puffed round, preparing his stash under the ground. Bluey felt thoughtful, he works each day. Bingo agreed warmly, that's his way. The friends helped gently, gathering food. The squirrel danced happy, sharing his mood. Sunset shimmered, sky glowing bright. The squirrel curled, ready for night. Bluey whispered kindly, sleep well friend. Bingo added softly, dreams never end. The stars twinkled, calm filled the skies. Laughter faded slowly, warmth in eyes. Bluey yawned cozy, tail tucked tight. Her heart glowed gentle, dreams tonight.